Hello everyone, this is Saqib and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be talking about how you can speak English with clarity, with preciseness, and how you can sound and how you can feel confident while having the conversation. In this video I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks, and those tips are going to be my tips which I have experienced and which I have extracted from my experiences. So watch this video patiently till the end so you can get those ideas. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and find out. So to begin with, I would like to tell you guys that if you want to sound and feel natural while having the conversation, then you have to work on your pronunciation, because pronunciation matters in any language, whether it is in Hindi, whether it is in English, whether it is in Arabic, whether it is in Tamil, in any language. It matters in every language. So how you can improve your pronunciation? So there is one technique that is really famous all over the world, and that technique is shadowing technique. So how you can do this? You can do this by imitating the native speaker. So you don't have to repeat the exact same sentence. You have to also put your point of view, and you have to speak in that same tone of speaker. So just by doing this, you are literally going to improve your pronunciation. And I also made a video about this at length, that how you can improve your English speaking skills alone just by doing this technique. So if you are going to choose a native speaker, then choose a native speaker who speaks English with clarity, with confidence. Don't choose those speakers who speak English with low pitch and low confidence. Choose a native speaker who speaks English with confidence, because we are more likely to get attracted towards those people who speaks with confidence. So actually I also do this, and I also have chosen a native speaker who speaks English with clarity and with preciseness, and I understand his point of view, his perspective. And his name is Andrew Tate, and you might know about him. He is really a famous person all over the social media, and he speaks English with confidence. That's what I like about him, and I also imitate him, and I also do this every day, just the imitating thing, and it is really improving my English. So go ahead and just do this to improve your pronunciation, and you're literally going to see lots of improvement in you. Furthermore, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, like if you want to sound clear and feel clear, then you have to speak slowly. What happens when we speak fast? We don't get time to think, and we are more likely to get stuck in the middle of the conversation. So just speak slowly, because when we speak slowly, we get time to think, and we can form sentences clearly and effectively without any interruption. So just speak slowly, because we get time to think and we can form sentences clearly, as I told you. So go ahead and just speak slowly whenever you are going to have conversation with anyone. Okay? And moreover, if you want to sound clear, then you have to expand your vocabulary. You know that vocabulary matters in any language, whether it is in Hindi, whether it is in English, whether it is any language. It matters the most, because without vocabulary we cannot be confident, we cannot feel confident while having the conversation with anyone. So just learn vocabulary every day and just incorporate them in a conversation if you're having with anyone. So how can you learn vocabularies? Actually, I use an application, and I get 5-6 vocabularies daily, and I learn their definition and I incorporate them in a conversation on an application which I use that application name is CV, and I actually practice over there every day. And you can also get connected with 4 lakh plus active learners, and you can also practice every day for 30 minutes, and it is literally going to improve your English speaking skills, and moreover words and vocabularies. So I'm going to put the words applications link and CV applications link in the description. You can learn words and you can practice your English in that application. So just go ahead and just do this kind of thing, and you're literally going to sound and feel natural and feel clear. So let's talk about next step. So next step is be knowledgeable. Yeah, if you have knowledge in everything, then you are not going to get stuck in the middle of the conversation. Well, if you want to be knowledgeable, then explore diverse content. Then don't stick to the tips and tricks of English related content. Just explore more content about religion, about country, about technology, about anything, everything. Just learn about everything and be knowledgeable in everything, because when we become knowledgeable in everything, we are more likely to speak English with clarity. Tell me this thing: when we don't have knowledge in any particular thing, then what happens in our mother tongue? We don't speak, and we cannot speak. It is the truth. We cannot speak because those things which I don't know, I'm not going to speak about those things. So it happens in any language. So this is why I'm telling to you, be knowledgeable in everything. That's when you are not going to stuck while having the conversation with anyone. So let's come to the last step, like what you have to do. So you can record yourself and you can be clear just by seeing your mistakes, like where you are making mistakes and where you have to work on your pronunciation and which words are you pronouncing in the wrong way. So just go ahead and record yourself, and it is literally going to improve your English speaking skills and pronunciation and overall proficiency level. And I've been doing this for a long time, and you are literally going to see lots of improvement by doing this. So go ahead and just do these kind of thing and do these kind of step, and you are literally going to improve your English speaking skills. And be consistent. Don't think that you are making mistakes right now, then you are not going to become fluent in English. Don't think that. Actually, I was also making mistakes lot back then when I started first speaking. But when I kept speaking, actually you can see in front of your eyes that how I am speaking right now. So you can also achieve this fluency, and you can also speak like me. So go ahead and just do these kind of step, and you are literally going to improve your English speaking skills. And actually, I have put lots of effort into making this video, and I have extracted the tips from my experiences. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us thumbs up and make sure that you did it, because when you do this, the YouTube and the algorithm blesses me, and it goes like, this video is cool and more people should watch this, and it really helps me out, and it really helps out others. So if you are lurking here, then consider subscribing, and until next time, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye for now.